Hey guys, Trina here, back with another painting demo. Today we're going to be working on another acrylic pour using these colors that I made with some golden high flow acrylic inks and some Mayspring pigments. So we're going to be doing an open cup pour to begin. I'm pouring in a little bit of the pouring medium and some of this pink orange color that I mixed up. This is a bronze mixed with azo gold. So I'm trying to get some sparkle in these. And this is a blue-green mixed with another Mayspring powdered pigment. I'm not quite sure how this is going to turn out, so we're going to see. Here I'm adding in more of the Liquitex pouring medium. And I'm just going to keep pouring colors and adding in medium as I see fit. This is a canvas that I painted over white so that I could practice and experiment before I go on to a bigger piece. I really wanted to play with adding in the pigments to the paint to see what would happen, and also to try a traditional open cup pour to see if that had any effect. If you've seen any of my other videos on this pouring style, I will leave a link to the playlist up above and you can take a look at those. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos that I make. So yeah, I'm just pouring. I like how you can see the metallic taking shape in that middle part there with the pink and the gold, or the bronze I guess, and that blue color, that turquoise blue color is really nice. And I haven't really figured out, I'm starting to figure out how the colors work with the medium, but it still seems sort of random to me. So I'm still working on a system, but maybe that's the point. Maybe it should just be random. So I'm going to put on my gloves and we're going to get to tilting, which is the fun, messy part, which we all love. So you can see that shimmer on that bronze is really cool. I'm going to add in a little bit more pouring medium to the side so I don't flip off all the color, which I don't want to lose all the color. And my intent here is just to cover the top. I'm really not that concerned about the sides. And once I pour it once, I usually just leave it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.